about read the given statement and conclude. Okay, they're asking about conclude it carefully. That means the result should be very careful. Okay, conclusion be very careful. And some of the statements I have given below. They says that. Okay, so what a statement means? It shows that some boys are handsome and no handsome is employed. So that what they says means if the boys are handsome, they are completely unemployed. If the boys are looking good means they are not employed. Confirm. And what they says, no graduate is a boy. All the boys are not graduate. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so I can write the form of a small chart. You take in the form of a boys. Okay, so boys you take as one section. And what they say, some boys are handsome. Not all the boys. Some boys means what? There is be some union. Okay, so you take here as a handsome. You take it as a handsome and some common. Okay, some of the boys are handsome, but not on all the boys handsome means I would have overlapped handsome on the boys. Example, all boys. Okay, all boys are handsome. Okay, in those case means I can write a boy. If I write over that means and all boys handsome means are all. I once again I will overlap and I can write handsome. But here they say some boys are handsome. Is it right? So I just given like that. And then they says no handsome is employed. So there is no relation between handsome and employed. So I can write employed like here because some handsome or employed means I would have overlapped smaller area with the handsome and employed. But here I have overlapped smaller area with boys and handsome because some boys are handsome. But here handsome boys completely they are unemployed. They are not employed. Okay, that's what they say. And then no graduate is a boy. So boys are not graduates. So there is no relation between a graduation and a boy. So here I can write graduate and there is no such relation. So if there is some boys are graduate means I would have given some area. Okay, but all the boys are not graduate. And what they say is the conclusions. They are asking which one follows which one. So first one you take some handsome or not graduates. Not some handsome, all the handsome are not graduates. Okay, because there is no relation between handsome and the graduates and no employed is a boy. Yes, because there is no relation between boys and employed. Okay, so what is the main thing means? So which one follows which one? The first one. That is the way. Okay, better the first one they are asking about the handsome and then only they are coming about the employment. Is it right? So in this two conclusions, the first one they are getting handsome. Next one they are talking about the employment. So here handsome and then they employed as per the actual sorting. Sorting means order. So some handsome are not graduates. But look at the first one. Some handsome are not graduates. Not some. But what it meaning means some handsome. Okay, some handsome are graduates. What it meaning means remaining some of that. Remaining some of handsome or they what they say is not graduates. So here first one not graduates, right? Yes. Remaining some of the handsome or graduates. They are telling like that. But what they say is mean no handsome is graduate. Okay. So here no handsome is a graduate. So this statement is wrong. And no employed is a boy. That is right. Okay. No employed is a boy. So what they say is only conclusion 2 follows. Okay, that is not right because only the this one follows this one. Is it 2 is following this? No, not possible. Okay, neither 1 or 2 follows. No, nothing like that. Only conclusion 1 follows. Yes, because of what they say is decide which conclusion logically follows from the statements. Yes, because some of the handsome are not graduates. Okay, that is the one perfect. So from the all statements, so it corresponds to the first one. What it is, no employed is a boy because that clearly says no graduate is a boy. But no handsome is employed. No handsome is employed, but some boys are handsome. So I think you might have some confusion. Listen me very carefully because boys are here and then afterwards handsome are here. Some relation between boys and handsome, but boys are not graduates. Yes, that clearly they said. And then handsome completely or what I say employed, but handsome there may be some graduates. Okay, so better you take only conclusion one follows. Okay, so some handsome are not graduates. Okay, so that is a link between these three statements and the first statement. So the first statement will be somewhat linking with the all the three. Okay, better it is somewhat confusion, but they clearly look at this one because the boys are not employed, so they says no graduate is a boy. Okay, so definitely if you get a graduate only you can get employment. So that's what they say. And then some boys are handsome, no handsome is employed. No handsome is employed. So what they say, some handsome are not graduates. That is the one they clear. Okay, so better third option is the right. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box.